FANUC commitment to service first has provided our customers with confidence and peace of mind. FANUC has over 260 locations near the customers and supporting over 100 countries and regions. We support our customers in maximizing uptime of their facilities at major locations around the world. We are working to share inventory data among our global locations to reduce lead times. FANUC will continue to provide maintenance as long as the customer uses our products. We offer part repairs at over 10 locations around the world. Our repair factory, we use the latest IT technology to perform high-quality repairs on new models and even those that are more than 30 years old. FANUC service site, which is packed with useful information for our customers. By registering as a customer member, you can use all features within the website. Use FabriQR Contact to make inquiries efficient. This is a service that allows you to easily make inquiries by simply scanning the FabriQR label attached to the machine with your smartphone. The service engineer will quickly find the cause of the failure and take appropriate action. We have core service locations in Tokyo and Aichi Prefecture. Both call centers are equipped to respond to customer inquiries in a timely manner. Our parts center stocks all the latest model parts. The system that supports your business is also perfect.